I found a strange business idea and you don't even do most of the work. I mean, preferably. If you want to do it, you can do it, but instead we will use the help of AI. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. So the business model that I will talk in this video is selling stickers. It may sound a bit silly, but there are tons of people who do that and they make a lot of money judging by their sale rates. In this video I will show you all the steps from finding an idea to designing, from preparing the sticker to selling it. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, we need to come up with an idea. If you already have an idea, that's great. If not, it's fine, we can use AI to find ideas. Now I will ask ChatGPT for sticker ideas. So I said to ChatGPT to give me a list of sticker ideas that I can sell, and as you can see, it gave me very general ideas, and that's not enough. So I'm gonna ask it to be more specific. And as you can see again, I told ChatGPT to be a bit more specific, and it did. So I'm gonna go with the cute animals category, and I'm gonna ask ChatGPT again to give me some ideas about cute animals stickers. And ChatGPT did exactly that. It gave me 10 ideas, and the one that I like is a panda holding a bamboo shoot with the phrase nom nom nom. I think this one is good. Now that we've got our idea, we need a design on that idea. And this step is the step that is up to you. If you know how to design and if you know how to use Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator, you can go and do the design yourself. But if you don't know how to design, it's fine. You can use AI, and the AI does some incredible work. Most of you have probably heard of this AI. Midjourney. This artificial intelligence works via Discord. You can use it by going to its server, or you can just simply invite Midjourney to your own server. So I just went to Midjourney's Discord server, and as you can see, there are some newcomer rooms, like Nimbius rooms, and here are people just creating some designs, some AI artworks. And as you can see, the AI works perfect, like the designs are incredible. So we got our idea from ChatGPT. Now we are going back to ChatGPT and we are gonna ask ChatGPT to give us some prompt ideas for the idea that we chose with the panda idea. So the ChatGPT gave me a network error, but anyway, I got what I wanted. I said give me 10 prompt ideas that I can use to create stickers for a panda holding a bamboo shoot with the phrase nom nom nom. And as you can see, it gave me 10 prompt ideas. I like the first one, a panda holding a bamboo shoot with a heart next to it. I also like the second one and the number 10, but I think I'm gonna go with the second one. So now I'm gonna come to the Midjourney's Discord server and I'm gonna type here /imagine space paste that prompt idea, like a panda holding a bamboo shoot with the words yummy written in a cute font, and at the end of it I'm gonna say sticker, comma, cartoon style, comma, V4, and V4 indicates like we just say Midjourney to use its latest version, like the V4 version 4, and we want a sticker in a cartoon style. Now as you can see, Midjourney has started creating these designs. It will take a few minutes. Now we just see some blurry images, but I believe they're gonna be great. And here are the designs. Midjourney created me 4 different designs. This is the design number 1, this is the number 2, this is number 3, and this is the number 4. Now what are these buttons? The U's mean upscale, like get a more detailed version of that, and the V's indicate variation, variate. So I personally like the number 4, so I'm gonna click variate number 4. And as you can see, Midjourney did exactly that, and it created me 4 different stickers related to that number 4 sticker. And I think again the number 4 is the best one, so I'm gonna click upscale number 4. And here is the upscaled version of the sticker number 4. Now all you have to do is just click on it and open in browser. From here you can just simply right click and save it to your computer. Now these designs are often unique because AI makes them. However, you can still Google this design just to be safe and see if it exists anywhere else. So just come to Google, click on this camera icon from here and drag and drop your design here, and Google searches the whole internet to see if a design like this exists anywhere else. And as you can see, there are some designs that look like this one, but they are not the exact same. I mean, that's quite natural. Stickers about pandas. So we know that people are doing this, but this design is unique, so we can use that. By the way, let me also mention this. When you create these designs on Midjourney, you can't sell them immediately. You need to have the rights to sell these designs, and unfortunately Midjourney doesn't provide you these rights with the free plan. You have to come to midjourney.com, sign in, click on purchase a plan, and from here you can just simply buy the basic plan, which is $10 per month. When you get that plan, you also get the commercial rights to sell these designs, and you can create up to 200 designs per month. It's just $8. Okay, now here's our design, but there is one more thing that we need to do before we can sell it, and that is to make the design transparent, a PNG file, to remove the background. I would personally do this through Photoshop, but in case you don't have Photoshop, I'm gonna show you a free alternative. You can use Photopea. You can also use Pixlr, but in this video I'm gonna show you Photopea. When you come to Photopea, just click new project, and from new project come to the DPI, make the DPI 300, make the pixels inches and make it 10 by 10 and click create. Here just drag and drop your design, scale it, come to the left panel, from here click on that wand and right click on it and select magic wand. When you select the magic wand, just click on background, somewhere in the background, and it will select it. Come to the sticker layer on the right click it, click rasterize, and now click delete on your keyboard, and that's it. You can turn off the background to see it's PNG, it's transparent. That's all you need to do. It's that simple. Now just come to the file from the top left, click export as, and click PNG to save it on your computer. You can name it whatever you want and click save. So let's get to the selling part now. How are we gonna sell these stickers? More importantly, how are we gonna produce these stickers? Here we will use the print-on-demand business model, so we don't have to actually print and ship the designs, the stickers. There are also many print-on-demand websites on the internet. Like you can use Printify to sell on Etsy, you can use Printful to sell on Etsy, you can use Redbubble, you can use Teespring. Like there are just different sites with different offerings, and they are all great print-on-demand websites. Frankly, I think the production phase of this business model is quite easy. You've just seen it already. Like I did that in 10 or 15 minutes. However, the most difficult part is actually selling these stickers, like marketing and advertising these stickers and getting sales. Yes, even if you look at Etsy alone, people sell thousands. However, that doesn't mean you will start selling thousands immediately when you share your stickers. There is a competition and you have to get better somehow. You can do that with your price, you can do that with your design, you can do that with your marketing. However, as with any business, it has its challenges. My advice to you is make a lot of designs. Make hundreds of designs. Maybe you'll make 100 designs, 99 of them won't be seen by people, but one of them will be successful, and that one sticker will drive traffic to your store. And when that sticker drives traffic to your store, these people will also see the other designs. They might as well buy those too. And don't just sell in one marketplace. Like don't just sell on Etsy. Go sell on Etsy, sell on Redbubble, sell on different marketplaces. Maybe it won't sell in one, but it will sell in the other one. You never know. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now, if you're under the age of 18 but you still want to make money, I suggest you to watch this video here. In that video, I show you 7 different side hustles where you can do as a teenager. So, I'll see you again in that video. Bye bye.